So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain.
What's kicking, Shark Mates? Vinyl Vixen, Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Here at Rap Sesh. This week we are showing you a brand new release film. It's barely on the market.
It's so cool.
Like, this might be one of the first cars that gets to have this film on it.
I think so, yeah.
Really cool.
That I know of. Yeah.
Today we are going to be showcasing the brand new film from STEK. It's called the Damascus Black Clear Bra. Really cool stuff.
If any of you have ever seen a Damascus blade or a knife, you know what it looks like already.
Yeah, wait, so explain that.
So what a Damascus blade is folded steel. They just keep folding it on top of each other, and it makes a very, very strong blade. Yeah.
So this Damascus film is made to look like those fancy
Pretty
knives,
close,
the
yeah.
blades. And it really does.
It does, yeah.
I honestly don't even know how they make this film, if they like laser etch it in or something.
I feel like it's laser etched because I've seen people laser etch clear bra before, and that's kind of what it looks like because it's done on a gloss film.
PPF sorcery.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Man. Side note, really quick, STEK. Their name is actually STEK.
We didn't know that.
We've been doing videos for them for a while, and we always say STEK, and I don't see a little hyphen dash thing right here. So I'm gonna keep calling it STEK, but their proper name is STEK.
It is STEK, which is Shield Technology.
So anyways, if you guys are interested, if you guys are shops or installers and you do clear bra installation and you're interested in this film, it's absolutely amazing. This is their newest swatch book. They have colored clear bra, they have textured carbon clear bra. We've done a few videos recently, really, really high-end clear bra film. I want to reiterate the fact that this is clear bra, not vinyl.
It's PPF.
It's PPF.
Paint protection film.
PPF. So many abbreviations.
A lot of people, well, when you say clear bra, people are like, oh, it's clear? It's not clear.
It's, well, wait.
Some of it's clear.
Wait. So they actually do have.
They do, yeah.
This is the black Damascus that we're installing today. They also have it in clear.
So you can do any color.
So if you had a red car and you put this on, it would be red Damascus.
Yeah.
Super fancy. So if you guys want to get a hold of their film or their really nice swatch books, reach out to STEKautomotive.com and tell them Rap Sesh sent you. And
they're awesome sauce.
Without further ado, let's dive in.
Yeah, we're gonna wrap this roof.
Okay, so what kind of car is this?
It's a little Audi A3.
Nice little daily.
Yeah, a little 2016. We're just gonna do this whole top side. There's a big sunroof up here, but we're gonna cover it, right?
They do want it covered,
okay,
yeah.
So
we are gonna cover the sunroof.
That way she has more of the
it's all
film,
continuous.
the film on top. Which
and then we're also
really
gonna do the mirrors.
And the mirrors. So
yes,
it'll kind of spice this little car up.
So as far as prep work, we did all of our standard prep that we do for clear bra. So we start with cleaning the car with isopropyl and water mix.
Yep.
Then we do a basic clay bar treatment. That gets all your contaminants, any kind of
sap or anything on the car. Yeah.
Anything you feel on the surface. You want it really, really nice and smooth, especially with clear bra.
Definitely.
So it's pretty much all ready to install. Okay, so you're gonna see the antenna is still on the vehicle. We actually did a pre-template right here on our table beforehand, and we're pretty much ready to go. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a little field trip over to our toolbox. We're gonna show you guys some of our clear bra installation tools.
I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages.
So, these are the kind of things we're going to be using today to do this install on the hood and mirrors, or sorry, roof and mirrors. This is the Fusion All Type solution right here. This is what we use in all of our installs, anything wet. If you're doing window tint, clear bra, vinyl, anything that's wet apt, this stuff's awesome. Has all your ratios on the back. Have a couple tools here. Those are mostly wrap tools though. I got a couple clear bra tools. These are actual Fusion Tools squeegees here. These are a couple of my favorites, the yellow and the green one. A couple other things, we're gonna be using our keg here. I don't know if you can see that. Little Rap Sesh keg. This thing's awesome for, so you don't get arthritis in your hands from pumping all day. That definitely saves your arms. as well as our POD steamer here. We're gonna be using that probably to post heat, and depending, we probably won't have any, actually we're probably using it for the mirrors as well. So just to get that little bit of stretch out of the film. The good thing about this STEK film though is it is very stretchy. Like, I mean, you can almost pull a mirror in one pull every time, and it's butter. So one other thing, you always want to post heat with a heat gun around your edges. This is the max flux capacitor. Just kidding, no, it's just the max flux. But awesome heat gun. So we got the afterburn tape on here, so you don't burn anything. We're gonna raise the roof right now.
Thank you guys so much for watching this week. If you guys love this new STEK Damascus black clear bra film, it has a 10-year warranty.
10 years.
So if you guys are interested in getting this film on your car, please reach out to us via email is usually best.
Yeah.
If you guys are interested in trying out this film, if you're a shop or an installer, please reach out to STEK. You can also check out their website at stekautomotive.com. Make sure you get their newest swatch book. It's got all their amazing high quality clear bra films.
This is like the fanciest swatch book I've ever seen too.
It's so fancy.
Nice.
It sells itself.
Yeah.
People just see the book and they're like,
it's so
whoa.
nice.
Huge thank you to Fusion Tools, STEK, as well as Autofilm Solutions. And we'll see you guys next week. Okay, bye!